In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to create a custom thumbnail so that you don't have to pick from one of those three weird ones that YouTube usually gives you. So this will hopefully attract more attention to your video as people are looking at videos to pick, give you a little bit of a different look. So let's get started. What I typically do here is open up Photoshop. If you have another photo editor, you can use that as well. Create a new file, and we will call this custom thumbnail. And you need to have 1280 in width and 720 in height in pixels. That will give you the right proportion. So click OK. We'll drag this out a little bigger so we can see the outline of it. We're going to put in a new fill layer. I'm going to use a gradient and just see how that works out. I'm not sure it will be what we end up with, but we'll start with that. And we don't want red, so we're going to go to black. And we'll just click OK on that. Now we need to place the Meguiar's logo, which I've already found online. And it needs to be a PNG file, which I converted it to, so that it is transparent. And we'll reduce that a little bit and place it over here in the approximate position it's going to be. And place that. We also need to place our product shot, which is the next generation TechWax 2.0. There it is. We'll reduce that a little bit in size and reposition it. And place it. Now the next thing we need to do is add a little bit of type. So we're going to put the TechWax 2.0, and we will leave that in that typeface because that's not too bad. And then we need to add a red stroke on the outline. Let's put that in there like so, and we'll change that to 5. That's a little bit heavy. Let's go back to 4. Okay, and just arrange everything to the size we want so that it looks nice and is pleasing to the eye. We'll apply that change. Now, I'm still not crazy about that gradient. I think we should put in a solid color background. Let's try black. No, black is better. We'll go with that for the time being and drop that down so that we can see where we are. Okay, that's not bad, except I'm not crazy about that blue at this point. I'm going to shrink this down in height a little bit. It won't be the correct proportion, but I think it'll look better on the page. So that's not too bad. Still not crazy about that blue color. Let's see what else we can find. Well, that's not bad. That kind of is in the same hue as the product itself, so that's not bad. I think we'll stay with that. We're going to save that. And we will save that as a Photoshop so we can change it later if we want to. And we will also save it as a JPEG so that we can upload it. And there we go. That's how that part is done. Now that we have our custom thumbnail created, we can go back to our YouTube channel and import it so that it replaces what we've got now. So we need to go to our video manager and find the video. And there it is right there. So we'll hit edit. And as you can see, there's the option I chose, which was about the only one I had to pick from. So we're going to hit custom thumbnail, and we're going to import our custom thumbnail JPEG that we created just a minute ago, and there it is. And hopefully that will get us a little more attention, maybe catch someone's eye. And it's imported now, so we'll save the changes. We will go back and check to see if it updated. Go to our video manager, and there it is right there. So got a new custom thumbnail that looks much better than that one with old Magnum coming at you. So that's it. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them below in a comment. I'll answer every one. And if you have a comment, just leave that as well. So until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay safe.